Good morning everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the mitochondria. Okay, so the mitochondria are small kidney shaped organelles found in both plant and animal cells. This type of organelles can found in a plant as well as in animal cell. Here you can see the structure of the mitochondria. So mitochondria is double membrane like structure. It consists of the outer membrane also and inner membrane also. In the diagram very clearly you can see the outer membrane and the inner membrane. So the mitochondria is work as a powerhouse, just like that. When the electricity plant install, because of that only we are getting the electricity, and the functions are we can perform all the activities very effectively. Same like the electricity, in case of the cell, the mitochondria is the powerhouse of all the cells. It is work like as a powerhouse. Why it is called as a powerhouse? Because of the mitochondria the cells are getting the energy. Because of the mitochondria the cells are getting the energy. Because the mitochondria, it convert the food into the energy, and energy is very effectively energy is useful to work all the things, to perform all the activities. So the mitochondria is the powerhouse of all the cells, and it is a kidney shaped. Okay, it is a small kidney shaped organelle which is found in case of the both plant and animals. They are the site of various chemical processes which leads to synthesis of energy, which is rich in molecule. Synthesis of energy, it means that it can be broken down the food into the energy. It converts the food into the energy, and it can be stored in the form of the starch also. So the energy rich molecules are used by the cells for doing work, and they are known as the powerhouses of the, because of that only they are known as the powerhouses of the cell. So this is related to the mitochondria. Now the next organelle is ribosomes. Okay, so the ribosomes are very small. It is having a very small structure. Ribosomes having a very small structure. In the diagram also, that blue color dotted lines are showing there, that are known as the ribosomes. They are very small structure. So the ribosomes are present in case of the cytoplasm. There are two types of the ribosomes. One type of ribosomes can be float into the cytoplasm, and another type of the ribosomes, they are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so the ribosomes are related to the proteins. Proteins are very much important for the cell. Because of the proteins only the many activities can be performed very effectively. So the ribosomes are very effective. But there are the two types of the ribosomes. One is connected to the one is connected to the endoplasmic reticulum, and another one is floating in case of the cytoplasm. So which are floating in the cytoplasm, they are producing the protein which are used for the inside cell also and outside cell also, and which is connected to the endoplasmic reticulum. That ribosomes are producing the protein, but that proteins are used inside the cell. Okay, which is connected to the endoplasmic reticulum. That proteins are useful inside the cell only, and the which are produced when the ribosomes are floating in the cell, that are useful outside or inside the cells. So this is the main function of the ribosomes. Now next we are going to discuss about the plastids. Before I already explained about the plastids, you can observe here also plastids are present, means that the green color is present outside there. Okay, so whenever we are observing our hand or leaves, so we can conclude that our hand is not having a green color, but the leaves is also having a green color. Why these things are happening? Because the plastids are present in case of the plant cell, but that plastids are not present in case of the animal cell. Once again I am going to repeat the same thing. Due to the plastids, the leaves is having a green color, but the plastids are absent in case of the animal cell. Because of that only the animal cell is not having a green color. So plastids are membrane bound organelles found only in a plant cell and are known to perform various functions. Some of them contains green, some of them having the green color pigment called as the chlorophyll. Okay, these green color plastids are also known as the chloroplast. The green color plastids are called chloroplasts. Okay, chloroplasts are the sites where the process of photosynthesis takes place. In case of the plant, whenever the plant making their own food, that process is known as the photosynthesis process. So the chloroplasts are the sites where the process of photosynthesis takes place. So some plastids are also known to store the products such as a starch, and while other helps in a synthesis of many types of molecules that are needed as a cellular building blocks. Okay, so the chloroplast are the sites where the process of photosynthesis takes place. Some plastids are also known to store the products such as a starch. Some plastids stores the starch also. So the main function of plastids, it is helps in case of the photosynthesis process. It stores the food in form of the starch. So this is the function of the plastids. So I hope everyone got the point and the function of all the organelles. So for today, this much part is enough. So next part I will explain in the next period. So for today, thank you very much. Prepare your notes and write down all the functions of all the organelles. Thank you very much.